Giga pum para hit you with the run, faster than my run.
Guys, I have something very cool to show you today. These are Brahminy blind snakes. They're one of the smallest species of snake on planet Earth.
You're stealing, right to jail. You're playing music too loud, right to jail, right away. You're driving too fast, jail. Slow, jail. You're charging too high prices for sweaters, glasses. You right to jail.
Snake. I'm a snake. I'm a snake. I'm a slithery little sneaky snake. I'm so slithery and sneaky because I'm a snake. Slithery.
Oh, what are you? Are you bad? Please tell me you're not bad. Are you bad? Are you bad? You're not bad. You're cute. Okay, you're cute. Okay. I thought you were dangerous. You're cute. You're cute. Okay.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
I had so many cute outfits planned for this year that I couldn't wear. So I just wanted to show you. See this? I love it. I couldn't wear it. Love it. Couldn't wear it. Then there's this. Love it. Couldn't wear it. Love it. Couldn't wear it. And this was supposed to be my cute costume, but no.
Now it's everybody talking, need a decoy. Shorty reaching under vodka with the liquor.
Dude. Oh, hi, Jake. What are you...
Okay, I'm sorry for turning it off, okay?